Hi, good morning. My name is Oscar Ariel Torres Martínez. I'm a student. I'm a system engineer student at the Tecnológico Nacional de México, Campus Nuevo León. And in this video, we will talk about a lexical analyzer in Java. How does it works? The lexical analyzer is responsible for removing the white spaces and comments from the source program. It corresponds to the error message with the source program. It helps to identify the tokens. The input characters are read by the lexical analyzer from the source code, as we can see here. To read the input characters in the source code and produce a token is the most important task of the lexical analyzer. The lexical analyzer goes through with the entire source code and identifies each token one by one. The scanner is responsible to produce tokens when it is requested by the parser. The lexical analyzer avoids the white spaces and comments while creating these tokens. If any error occurs, the analyzer correlates these errors with the source file and line number. We can find some advantage of the lexical analysis, like lexical analysis helps the process to format and display a web page with the help of parsed data. Also, it is responsible to create a compiled binary executable code, and it helps to create a more efficient and specialized processor for the task. And some disadvantage of the lexical analysis: it requires additional runtime overhead to generate the lexer table and construct the tokens. It requires much effort to debug and develop the lexer and its token description, and much significant time is required to read the source code and partition it into tokens. We have here the components for the lexical analyzer. We have identifiers that we have A and C to the C in lowercase and A to the C in uppercase. We have tokens like the operator tokens like equals, plus, subtraction, multiply, and split. We have numbers that we have from the 0 to the 9, and reserved words that we have int, if, else, while. We can add some other words. I just add this. We're gonna pass to the code. We have the code. This is for lexer point flex or dot flex. In this part of the code, we can see that the tokens or patterns that we can find with the lexical analyzer are listed, ranging from reserved words to numbers, including operators such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and split, as we can see here. So in the next code, we have the main frame that perform action of the analyze button that belongs to the design of our lexical analyzer that we are going to see in our execution or test of the program. In our first try catch block, all we do is create a text file in which our execution of the program will be written. We will explain it better in the program test. In our second try catch block, we read the text we save to the text file if it is not empty. When reading the file, we evaluate it with a while loop and case, where what the while loop does is go through our string looking for the type of character to which it belongs. If it encounters a number, then it will be entered the number's case, and so on with the other patterns and identifiers, returning as a result the type of the lexem to which it belongs. As a conclusion, we can say a lexical analyzer are an application of compilers that are in charge of verifying that text is written in a set format for the entire program that is written in a programming language, as well as being in charge of verifying that is consistent. Lexical analyzers serves largely to solve problems that that can arise because the program does not have consistency or it's not well structured. So we're going to pass to the test of the program. So we are in NetBeans ID 8.2. We have here the codes as we see in our presentation. So we're going to execute our program. We're gonna run file. So it is here. As I was saying, we have the button analyzing. So we have here our text area, so we can put some words. We're gonna put some reserved words. If we're going to put while, we're going to put some words, and we're to put some numbers. We push the button, and this is going to say if it's a reserved word, while it's a reserved word, LENGUAJES it's identifier, and 1 2 3 it's a number. So as I was saying, this works with a while loop. So goes through this text area and doesn't found anything else or something else, so ends the program. So we're going to watch our text that is here. That I'm just gonna refresh this, and we have here our text as I was saying in our presentation. So this is everything. This is how it works. Some Lexic analyzer. Thank you and goodbye.